Hello, welcome to the Bloody Mary Show. Today we're going on a little adventure. Let's go make a Bloody Mary in this little amazing cove that I found earlier. The weather is beautiful here in Maryland today, and I'm going to take full advantage of it. I know it's probably strange. Like, why would I walk a quarter mile from my house to this amazing cove? But I love this little space. Okay, we're almost there. You can't see it from here, but it's right there in the corner. And I know it doesn't look like much, but trust me. Okay, this is the spot, and I know, I know. But look, guys, it's the middle of winter. Everything's dead right now. But I can just imagine so many cool events happening down here. It's flat. There's a lot of little spots you can hang some lights. It's just amazing. Let's get started. Okay, here's my little piece of heaven. I'm all set up. I have my little bag and all my little fixings. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my Sriracha instead of hot sauce. I have my pre-made frozen tomato juice cubes, which are a game changer. I have my ball glass. And today we're going to be trying out the Charleston Bloody Mary mix. It's like a very strong veggie taste is what I've been told. I have my celery salt. I have my lime to rim my glass. Normally I use a lemon, but today I have a lime. And in here, I have some vodka that I infuse with jalapenos, so that'll be interesting. Here are my husband's homemade pickles. I have some pepper and lemon juice. And then I have my knife and my little cutting board so that I can cut all of my fixings. Okay, so I've rimmed my little ball glass with some celery salt. And like I said, I infused some jalapenos into my Costco brand vodka. So I'm gonna put that in there. And next I'm gonna go in with these. I've been making these ice cubes and it's been a game changer because I just freeze them and then I put them in my drink, and then my drink is never watered down. It's just tomato juice, horseradish, and onion powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those in. Wow, it's a lot. It's too big for this glass, but we're gonna make it work. All right, next I'm gonna do my lemon juice. And you know, I really don't measure that much. I measure with my heart. That's how I measure. I know what I like, and if I want more, I'll put more in there. I can leave a recipe below if you guys are interested in like exact recipes. So that pepper is just gonna sit on the top like that. So I'm gonna probably flip this ice cube, doop, just like that, so that that pepper gets down in there. Now, this is the secret that I just started doing like a month ago. Before I was just using regular hot sauce. And now I'm doing Sriracha, which has been a game changer. I think that it just really kicks it up a notch. I like mine very spicy, so whoa, it's a lot in there. My husband made these pickles probably 2 months ago. In here, there are green onions, Fresno peppers, garlic, and green beans. I like to add a little bit of the juice in there, okay? And then I'm just gonna fish some of these out and put 3 in there right there because I like them to soak in all of the goodness until the end. All right, now I'm trying this for the first time. Like I said, I was told that it has a very vegetable taste, which I love vegetables, so that's fine. This smells absolutely delicious. Like I want to just drink it right now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to have some self-control. So we're gonna just pour this in there. And you know what I just realized? I forgot my straw, so we're just gonna rough it out here, and that's okay because I am out here just to enjoy the sound of the birds and the sound of silence. Now I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, all the vodka's at the bottom. I don't care. To me, that's actually the best part. Okay, so I'm gonna sit out here and drink my drink, but I want to show you guys. I'm also going to eat these snacks. If you haven't had these, they're so good. My husband found them at Costco. I can show you. I mean, you have to have them. I'm sure they have them on Amazon. I don't know. I don't have a link for them or anything like that, but look for them. They are perfect with this Bloody Mary. Really, any Bloody Mary. Let's see. Woo! I love how the celery salt gets all over my mouth. I love it. Now I'm gonna sit out here in the woods and pretend I'm on like a tropical vacation somewhere and wait for summer to come. Cheers!